just wanted to make this little clip before you guys just watch this video that's about to play. This is an old video that I did during the summer of last year. I just had the footage and I forgot to post it. It just happened to work out that I just had back surgery and I'm not able to do anything or go out. I'm in the process of recovery right now. So that's why I'm making this little clip for you guys, to let you guys know that it's gonna be a little while before I post another video of updates with the car. So what I'm gonna do in the meantime is, you know, start ordering little parts here and there that I want to put on the car, so I can install them once I'm able to. Also, I'm gonna go E85 this year. I'm trying to get the channel, you know, at least to like 5,000 subscribers or so I could get monetized. So I need you guys' help in order to do that. So please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment and like the videos, because it does help. It helps in a way, like, you know, it shows up in other people's pages that don't have you and stuff like that. So stay tuned for more content, because I'm gonna buy another Z. I don't know if I said that already or not, but yeah, I'm gonna buy another Z. I don't know if it's a 350Z or 300ZX. One of the two is coming to the channel. If I buy a Z, I'm trying to look for an HR, because I haven't had one yet. I did have a DE that I put a supercharger in it. If I find a DE, I'm probably gonna supercharge it so I could daily it, and leave the 370Z more for like weekend track car stuff like that, you know, and go more power on the E85 and the whole 9 yards. And if I do find a 300ZX, I want a twin turbo 300ZX. If not, if it's an NA one, it has to be extremely clean body, like no rust, no dents. I don't have to do nothing with the paint. It just have to be a super clean one, just so I could stance it and daily drive that. I always been into Z's, so that's what I want to get. I do love the new Z coming out, but I want to wait a year or two before I buy one, just to see what changes they do to the body kit, and, you know, for them to work out whatever it is they need to work out, because it's always not good to buy the first one that comes out, you know. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Do me a favor, like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram so you guys could stay updated on the car. Right now it's parked because I can't drive, but once I'm cleared to drive and I start feeling better, you guys will definitely start seeing more videos. Take care. See you guys later. Enjoy the video. Just put up the gears and gears. The little squat. Feel me? Nice MK5. Shit looks sick. Super clean. Ooh. Might want to angle it this way. Turn to your left. All the way, and keep going. Keep going straight. You good? You made it? Yes, sir.
Oh my God, it's a great car.
This is amazing. Another car on the tire.
Holy shit.
You go right there. The Celine is so beautiful. Shit. So you guys can see the lot's getting full now. Bunch of cars pulled up. This is nice looking GTR. It's crazy that these cars could look just like this and could be making freaking 1,200 or 1,000 horsepower. Is that LS S2000 that you guys saw in the last video. Supra, another Supra with the TEs, the Street Hunter wing, super dope.
I sold it for the hot dog. They sold it next week for
Z01.
They gave me 36 for it.
Really?
I mean, it had 78 now.
I think
Bro, this red on this Jeep, supercharged. Carbon fiber hood on it, dope. Woo. This thing sounds nasty.
It's behind him for that reason. It's the Mustang.
Oh.
It's a Roush. Stage.
Uh-oh.
remember that.
Yeah.
Don't mess with my ride.
Don't take it too far.
Yeah.
I've never even been back in. I don't know, it might be 85. I don't know. Oh, what is it? It might be 6 or 6. I got some
Off-road one. There you go.
What's up, bro? How you been?
Hey, man, how are you?
Good seeing you again.
You too, man. All right? Yes, sir.
This is so dope. Ooh, NSX. This is nice. This NSX is beautiful. And his right-hand drive. That's so cool.
Sorry, no worries.
Z01, super nice.
Yeah, oh yeah, barely.
This color's beautiful. Super clean MK4. Tato.
It's kind of nuts.
Instagram, Facebook.
You got it, sweet?
Yeah.
And you post like whenever there's one?
Sometimes. Oh, dude, you never seen those. That thing is clean as fuck. Oh, did you really?
But with the A on the end.
That's crazy. I got a cousin named Selena.
Yeah. I'm gonna get her a 2012.
I know,
Oh, that'd be so
2019.
awesome.
Her birthday or whatever.
Yeah,
We could just go with her.
that'd be super cool.
I don't like the 2012 model though.
No?
Not really.
Is it like the other body style that kind of...
It's not that one. It's the one right before that.
So these people with the BMWs just forget about the dip. They've been coming in hard.
Yeah.
Kind of glad we got here early.
Yeah, right. I like that Hummer though.
We just came from Cars and Coffee Lake Norman. They had a bunch of like RVs and shit up there, like military thing. Oh, I was like, dude, this is so cool.
That shit right there is badass.
Hell yeah. Lamborghini Gallardo or Gallardo, however you guys want to call it. Let's check out the back because it looked like it got some fun stuff back there. Woo! Twin turbo, baby. Let's go. This is dope. If you guys stood in the video this long, I just want to say thank you for, supporting and everyone that subscribed so far. And if you haven't subscribed, just go hit the subscribe button and support your boy. You guys already watching the video. Just hit the subscribe button so you guys can stay posted. See ya later. Take care.